In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bars pattern on Tradingview, quick and easy. To follow along, make sure you're already on a Tradingview chart. It can be any market and any time frame. The tool works the same way. On the left-hand side of your chart, you'll see the main toolbar. Look for the section called Forecasting and Measurement Tools. It usually has icons like long and short position tools. Go ahead and click on that to open the full list of options. From that menu, choose Bars Pattern. This tool lets you copy a section of price action and then project or compare it somewhere else on your chart. Once you've selected Bars Pattern, move your cursor over the chart. You'll notice it changes to show that the tool is active. Now, click anywhere on your chart where you want the pattern to start. This is just the general area. You're telling Tradingview, this is where I want to begin selecting my price action. After that first click, you'll define the actual range. Click again on the exact point where you want your pattern selection to begin. This is your first anchor point. Next, move your cursor to the right and choose the end of the move you want to capture. Click again to set your second point. Tradingview will now create a bars pattern based on the price action between those 2 points. You'll see a copy of that movement that you can drag and use as a reference. What this bars pattern can do is really handy. It allows you to compare historical price behavior with current or future price areas. For example, you can see how a previous rally or pullback might line up with what's happening now, purely for visual analysis and scenario planning. You can move or adjust this pattern simply by clicking and dragging it to a new location on the chart. If you need to resize it, you can drag its endpoints to capture a different number of bars. You can also customize it. When the pattern is selected, options will appear, including templates, color, and settings. Click on templates if you want to save your favorite style for reuse later. Click on color to change how the pattern looks so it stands out against your chart background. Click on settings to fine-tune properties like style, transparency, and how many bars are included. If you want to keep the pattern in place, click on the lock icon so you don't accidentally move it. To remove it, click on the remove option. And if you see 3 dots or a more menu, click there for additional actions and shortcuts related to that tool. Overall, the bars pattern on Tradingview is a simple but powerful way to visually compare price structures and experiment with potential scenarios on your chart.